Of all the time for rain to fall, it is now. Now that I'm in my kitchen. Oh God. Now that I want to make this delicious Nigerian jollof, it decided to rain. This rain. It decided to rain, to make noise. No problem. Guys, you all are welcome to my kitchen. I'm about to prepare jollof rice for the family. So I just want to take you people along on how I do my thing. Just enjoy the video. Enjoy the video. That's all I gotta say. Enjoy the video. But before I forget, if this is your first time, do not forget to click on the subscribe button. Do not forget to also like. Do not forget to comment. Please do not forget to share with friends and loved ones so that they'll see me and how I do my cooking, so that they'll see and rate my cooking if I'm a good cook or not. Just share my videos, let a lot of people see and then comment on how my cooking skill is. Guys, let's get started. In here I got my rice. I'm going to soak it with hot water for 10 minutes. I got this tasty tom jollof mix. That's what I am using, or that's what I'll be using for the jollof rice. Some carrots as well that I'll be using, some spring onions. I'm going to wash them and cut it. I got some ginger as well. Here is my garlic. I'll be using it. Of course, onions. I've already cut my onion. So let's just get into it. And have you tried using margarine on your jollof rice? Have you? If you haven't, you stick to the end of the video. You're gonna love this. You're gonna love it. In here, you can even see the jollof. For those that don't know, they can use margarine to make jollof rice. Guys, just let's do this, alright? So I went in with some cooking oil and then I poured in my meat to fry. When I'm done frying my meat, I took it out of my pot and then I went in with some garlic, ginger, and I fried. Next, I went in with my onions and fried. Then I'm adding some bay leaf into it and continued frying. Now it's time for me to put in my jollof mix, tomato paste. So I fried my tomatoes and then while frying my tomatoes, I went in with some rosemary, some seasoning cube, and I continue frying, turning it to avoid it burning down. So here it is. Right now I'm going to bring out some stew, because I'll be using it much later when I'm done cooking my jollof. So right now I'm pouring in my stock into it, added some water into my stew, added some crayfish, mix it pretty well, and then went in with some salt. Cover it for it to cook. Already I've washed my rice already. I've soaked it in hot water for about 10 minutes, washed it. So now I'm putting it in and then I mixed it. And guys, our jollof rice is almost ready. So here is it. I'm putting in my margarine. rubbing it round our jollof rice. Guys, for those that doesn't know, you can actually use margarine on your jollof. It makes your jollof taste awesome. So next, so now I'm going to cover it for some time. Here guys, our jollof is done. No, like it is done. There is nothing much left. Our jollof rice is it's almost ready. So now it's time for me to put my veggies. Here is my spring onions, and here I added some carrots and onions. Guys, I love it when I'm biting some onions in my jollof. It tastes different. So here it is, guys. I'll now give it a mix, turn it all together. Guys, our jollof is jollofing at this point. You can't imagine the aroma right there in my kitchen. So right now I'm just putting in my meat ready to be served. Our jollof is served with the stew I brought out earlier. Guys, what do you think? Do you like it? Let us know below the comment section. See you guys. Bye.